So this video is about getting a floating deck 12 by 10 constructed just outside the camper for fire, have a bit of cookouts at the evening, and have a nice relaxing area for us to sit on after a hard day's work on the homestead. Now the area that's just in front of the camper facing the woods is fairly overgrown, so the first thing is to get the whippersnipper out and to get this vegetation down, make the ground as level as possible. But being a floating deck, we've got the camo base pods that we're going to settle into the ground, and then the pressure treated timber construct this 10 by 12 deck.
Share a glimpse through our lens as we create a sustainable farm, handcraft our home from the forest, and share with you our successes and failures. Welcome to the Old North Homestead.
Using cameo base plates in the corners, we got each corner by 12 by 10. So we've got the 12 by 10 outside edges now configured. Over on the saw benches there we have 8 by 2s by 10 foot ready to be put through on each of these beams. So we're going to use 3-inch nails, 4 nails per end on the 10 by 2s. There's 8 pieces left, 2 on each end already in place with the main beams. There's 2 single beams on the 12-foot sides. There's only one there at this stage. The foundation plates in place, and the 4x4s holding the whole floating deck. So it's weighing quite a bit at the moment, and I can attest to that because both Robin and I tried lifting it, and it's not something you can pick up by 2 people even. So the weight is going to be forced on those 4x4s and transferred to the foundations onwards. The finished result, it's turned out pretty good. Floating deck, didn't really know too much about it until I watched a few YouTube channels, and some expert contractors said this is the way to go, using the camo base plates and all pressure treated lumber. So we've got a nice deck now to sit out with on the sunsets over on the property. Still got a fair ways to clean the place up. We'll get stuck into it tomorrow. See you in the morning. Just before you all go, a little bit more information on the Rio Link trail cams that we have around the property for security purposes. We've now got 3 of those, one up on the access road facing down, the second one just over the camper and the new road that was produced, and then the final one has just been put in only this afternoon for the sawmill. Now, Robin and I by no means sponsored by Rio Link to have these cameras. We just purchased them out of our own money. They work out pretty good. Cell coverage is how they link up and work straight back to your mobile phone, as you can see here. Every last image is collected straight up to the cloud. So you have some sort of an event, and you might have intruders coming onto your property and stealing equipment. The actual footage of the event will be uploaded to the cloud, so if they destroy the cameras in any fashion, then you've got the coverage and hopefully to recover the lost stolen goods. Fortunately, we haven't had that situation arrive, and hopefully we never do, but this is what security is all about, insurance, I guess. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next week. Cheers.